What's the types of robot backup and how to make it? Hello and welcome to my channel Robot Expertise Hub, where you will grasp the understanding how to program industrial robots. My name is Evgeny Dushkin and let's get started. Working with any type of robots, it is a good practice to time create a backup of the current state of the robot controller. And today I will show you how to make so with KUKA robot controllers. The first way is create archive and save it to USB stick. You will need a USB stick for that. Insert it into USB port of KUKA SmartPad. Actually, you have two options, USB port in KUKA SmartPad or USB port in KUKA robot controller. Here I used USB port of SmartPad. Choose all and push yes. You can see a blue notification message when finished. Now unplug your USB stick with saved backup. Second way, it is create archive and save it to remote storage through the network. Firstly, create a folder on your remote PC for net backups. Go in Startup, Robot Data. Set network archive folder address, where IP address is the address of remote PC. Login of your account on remote PC and password of your account on remote PC. Go File, Archive, Network, All. You can see a blue notification message when finished. Now, open your Net Backup folder to find your just created robot backup. The third way, it is organize a scheduled creation of the robot backup to the remote storage. Let's check that our Net Backup folder is empty. Go to File, Backup Manager, Backup Configuration. History. Maximum number of subfolders for older backups. Default value is 5. That means when you already have 5 subfolders with previous backups and the next backup is going to be created, the oldest backup will be deleted and a new one will be created. Backup active project only. Activating this function, the initial project and the base project won't be included into backup, just active project. Subdirectory with controller name. Select this setting if more than one robot controller uses the same target path to avoid mixing up the backup of multiple robots. Automatic backup. Here you can set the certain time intervals for backup creation. Backup and restore locally. Deactivate this feature to be able to make backup through the network. Login and password for authentication to remote PC where robot backups will be stored. This folder address and login credentials may differ from data you pointed in a robot data menu. The current time is 9:10. Let's set our schedule to 11:09. Double check our folder. It's empty. And we will wait for making backup. Now we can see 2 new subfolders created. One of them contains all technological packages. And another one contains Work Visual KUKA project and other files. And the last way is create a robot backup to the remote storage by the request of external device like PLC. This backup interface has 2 input signals and 2 output signals. Once a robot controller receives a specific combination of input signal, it performs a backing up or restoration. And once this procedure finished, robot sets the specific combination to the output signals. which might be interpreted by PLC if procedure was completed successfully or not. Again, I'll check net backup folder is empty. I will change start input address to 1, for example. Saving current settings. Now I switch input 1 to the true state for a couple seconds. The process of creation of the backup has been started, and we can see the output 4096 is in the true state during that time. When creation of the robot backup is finished, you will see a blue notification message about that. And output 4095 is switched to the true state for 5 seconds, as we pointed in settings. Let's check our net backup folder. 2 subfolders created, one for options, another for work visual project and other files. And now let's make a restoration of the robot project from net backup folder. I switch input number 2 to the true state for a couple seconds. Output 4095 in the true state, that means backup manager is working. When finished, you will see blue notification message again. And output 4095 is switched to the true state for 5 seconds. Restoration of the project uploads a robot project to the robot controller, but doesn't activate it. Project should be activated manually. Let's summarize what we learned today. We can create a robot archive to USB stick. We can create a robot archive to the remote storage for the network. We can create a robot backup with certain schedule. And we can create a robot backup by the request of external device like PLC. That's everything about KUKA backups for today. Tap a like button if it was useful and subscribe to make sure you won't miss the next video.